Did you know that green tea has been consumed for thousands of years? It's true, this ancient beverage has a rich history that dates back to the early dynasties of China. This vibrant beverage originated in China and has been revered for its taste and medicinal properties. Over the centuries, it has traveled across borders, becoming a beloved drink in many cultures. From ancient emperors who believed in its healing powers to modern-day health enthusiasts who swear by its benefits, green tea holds a special place in cultures worldwide. It's a bridge between the past and the present. But what's the secret behind its enduring popularity? Why has it stood the test of time when so many other trends have come and gone? Simply put, green tea is packed with powerful compounds that offer a wide range of health benefits. These include antioxidants, which help fight free radicals, and catechins, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. It's not just a delicious drink, it's a natural elixir that can enhance your well-being in remarkable ways. From boosting metabolism to improving brain function, the benefits are numerous. In this fast-paced world, we're always searching for natural ways to improve our health and well-being. Green tea offers a simple yet effective solution that fits seamlessly into our daily routines. Green tea emerges as a powerful ally, offering a simple yet effective way to boost your health from the inside out. Whether you're looking to increase your energy levels or find a moment of calm, green tea has something to offer. Ready to unlock the incredible potential of green tea? Imagine starting your day with a cup of this ancient brew, feeling its benefits throughout your day. Let's dive into the world of green tea hacks and discover how this ancient beverage can transform your life. From traditional recipes to modern twists, there's a green tea hack for everyone. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, it's surprisingly easy to harness its power with a few simple hacks. Think of these hacks as shortcuts to maximizing the benefits of green tea and making it an effortless part of your life. Whether you're a seasoned tea drinker or just starting, these hacks will help you unlock the full potential of green tea and experience its transformative effects. From boosting your energy levels to supporting your weight loss journey, green tea is a versatile beverage that can be tailored to your specific needs. Get ready to discover practical and enjoyable ways to make green tea your secret weapon for a healthier and happier you. Green tea is a treasure trove of beneficial compounds, including powerful antioxidants called catechins. These antioxidants combat harmful free radicals in the body, protecting your cells from damage and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. But that's not all. Green tea has also been linked to improved brain function, a reduced risk of heart disease, and even a lower risk of certain types of cancer. It's like having a superhero in a cup, working tirelessly to protect your health and well-being. Imagine starting your day with a warm cup of green tea, knowing that you're giving your body the tools it needs to thrive. The benefits of green tea extend far beyond its refreshing taste, making it a valuable addition to any healthy lifestyle. Ready to make green tea a part of your daily life? It's easier than you think. Start by swapping your morning coffee with a cup of green tea. You'll still get an energy boost, but without the jitters. Carry a reusable water bottle infused with green tea bags or loose leaves for a refreshing and healthy drink on the go. Experiment with different flavors and find what you enjoy most. There's a green tea out there for everyone. Don't be afraid to get creative. Add a splash of lemon or a drizzle of honey to your green tea for an extra burst of flavor. You can even use it as a base for smoothies or healthy popsicles. The possibilities are endless. Section 5. Matcha Magic Level Up Your Green Tea Game. If you're looking for a concentrated dose of green tea goodness, look no further than matcha. This vibrant green powder is not just a drink, it's an experience that brings a multitude of benefits to your daily routine. Matcha is a special type of green tea where the whole leaf is ground into a fine powder. Unlike regular green tea, where you steep the leaves and then discard them, matcha allows you to consume the entire leaf. This means you're consuming the entire leaf, resulting in even greater health benefits. You're getting a higher concentration of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, making it a powerhouse of nutrition. Think of matcha as the superhero version of green tea, packed with antioxidants and nutrients. It's like giving your body a supercharged boost of health with every sip. It's known for its vibrant green color, unique flavor, and ability to provide sustained energy without the caffeine crash. The amino acid L-theanine in matcha helps to promote a calm alertness, making it perfect for both relaxation and focus. You can enjoy matcha in traditional tea ceremonies or incorporate it into your favorite recipes. The versatility of matcha means you can get creative in the kitchen. From lattes and smoothies to baked goods and even savory dishes, matcha adds a touch of magic and a powerful nutritional punch to any meal. Whether you're a tea enthusiast or a culinary explorer, matcha is a delightful addition to your pantry. Section 6. Green tea and weight loss. Separating fact from fiction. Green tea often takes center stage in discussions about weight loss, but does it live up to the hype? Many people swear by its benefits, but what does the science say? While it's not a magic bullet, green tea can play a supporting role in your weight loss journey when combined with a healthy diet and exercise. It's not just about drinking tea, it's about making it part of a broader lifestyle change. The key lies in green tea's ability to boost metabolism and increase fat burning. This is due to its rich content of antioxidants, particularly catechins, which have been shown to enhance metabolic rate. Studies have shown that green tea can help accelerate your metabolism, leading to a modest increase in calorie expenditure throughout the day. This means you could burn a few extra calories just by incorporating green tea into your routine. However, it's important to remember that green tea works best as part of a holistic approach to weight loss. This includes not only what you drink, but also what you eat and how active you are. Don't expect miracles from green tea alone. Focus on creating a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and of course, a cup or two of your favorite green tea. By integrating these elements, you can create a sustainable and effective weight loss plan. Section 7. Sip smarter, not harder green tea hacks for weight loss. To maximize green tea's weight loss potential, consider these simple hacks. Drink green tea before your workouts to boost your metabolism and enhance fat burning during exercise. Combine green tea with a healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean protein to support your weight loss goals. Avoid adding sugar or artificial sweeteners to your green tea, as these can sabotage your efforts. Remember, consistency is key. Make green tea a regular part of your routine to reap its long-term weight management benefits. Sip your way to a healthier, happier you. Section 8. The power of routine. The true magic of green tea unfolds when you make it a consistent part of your life. Incorporate it into your daily routine, whether it's a morning ritual, an afternoon pick-me-up, or a soothing bedtime drink. Listen to your body and pay attention to how green tea makes you feel. You'll likely notice increased energy levels, improved focus, and a sense of overall well-being. Over time, these small, consistent actions can lead to significant improvements in your health and vitality. Green tea is not just a drink, it's a lifestyle choice that can transform your well-being from the inside out. Section 9. Your green tea journey. Just the beginning. Congratulations on embarking on your green tea adventure. As you've discovered, this ancient beverage is brimming with health benefits and weight loss potential. By incorporating green tea hacks into your daily routine, you can unlock a world of wellness and vitality. But here's a special tip. Experiment with different types of green tea and find what you enjoy most. From classic sencha to earthy matcha, there's a green tea out there for everyone. What are your favorite ways to enjoy green tea? Share your tips and recipes in the comments below.